look at my little baby curls. They're so cute. So, I'm getting ready for my shower after workout. And I am going to wash my hair in the shower. I mean, I'm just going to rinse it with water. And then I'm going to do my shampoo outside the shower. And I'll try to include y'all if I can. But I am exhausted. But I'm still thinking about you guys and trying to make this gesture so you can see my first wash without braiding and banding. I know this is scary. But I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. So just wanted to let y'all know. And I'm gonna show you guys as soon as I'm done what it's looking like with just a water rinse, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned. Don't y'all go nowhere. Go grab your popcorn or your juice or your wine, whatever you need, and just stay right here. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit the subscribe button so you can keep up with your girl. Okay, on this journey, we're approaching 1 year in July. And so it's 11 months and I'm turning the volume up. I'm just taking chances, okay? That's what's up. I'm gonna just take chances and trust the process and believe that this is just gonna have the best outcome ever. And I'm gonna be like, oh my gosh, Felicia, you should have been washed your hair freely, okay? Instead of braiding it and putting them rubber bands on the end and taking them out and then taking out the braid. Who got time for that? This is supposed to be a convenient style. No, it's for the best. Okay, if you new, it's for the best. Okay, so enough of my mouth running. I will see you in a second. Peace, y'all. All right, y'all. So I'm out the shower. I rinsed my hair down with just water, and this is what it's looking like. It feels so heavy. I'm getting water everywhere. And you know what? I really like you guys because I'm willing to turn into a dried up braising just to capture this. So I hope you guys appreciate what I'm at least trying to do. But yeah, so this is what I'm looking like. Let's see if I can see the scalp. Not sure. Let's see if I can see look how filthy, like my scalp. Yep. This is uncut and real. I'm giving it to y'all straight up. So I don't see any unraveling right now. Like, but definitely you can see more of the length. I'm trying to lift up so y'all can see. And I have on a towel, so the water's just dripping. So yeah, that's that. So what I'm gonna do is got my design essentials and my cleansing bottle. I'm gonna put a couple pumps in this and add some water, and then I'm gonna wash my hair outside of the shower and then probably go to another sink to rinse it out. So I'm gonna take care of that. Just wanted to show you guys, and then I'll show you the end results after my wash. I'm hoping it don't do nothing silly or crazy, y'all, but so far so good. Let's look at this a little better. It's really hard to tell. It's so many strands, but no unraveling. It don't look like thus far. It feels really soft and pliable. Let's see if I can get a little lint check in there. Let's see the front. That's pretty long. But then as far as like the twist and stuff, I can feel it so soft right here, and then just a little hard up to about here. It feels like for retie, maybe more realistic right here. All right, y'all. So I'll be back on in a second. Stay tuned. I put like 10 pumps of shampoo in this little bit. 2 ounces. 2 ounces of water. Okay. Let's see how this goes. I add another towel to my neck. start from the middle. I'm gonna get these edges. Ooh, this gonna be messy. I'm gonna have water all in my ears. Unacceptable. Okay. Woo! Y'all. Try to get the scalp. Oh, this is so messy. Listen, y'all. I'm gonna try. Let's see if we can get it lather on the first time. First time lather, baby. Woo. Okay, y'all. I'm trying to hit this scalp first. Okay, I'm trying here. I'm just trying to get the scalp. I think I need some more shampoo. But just to give you an idea. And I'm just scraping my scalp. Get that first layer off. Okay. I feel like I got more hair than I started with. It feel like triple the amount of twists. I'm sorry, a lot. Y'all, I'm struggling. And making a mess, a hot mess up in this bathroom. Come help me, y'all. Come help me. Please. Somebody. I need a wash bowl and a loctician. I don't know why I insist on continuing to do this myself. I don't know. It's nervous energy. It helps keep me sane. This is a lot of work. Okay, finally. Whew. Child, I think I done used up the whole bottle of shampoo doing it like this. But I'm just trying to show y'all what it's doing so far. I look like Curly Sue. Alright. You know how them first washes be. So I'm gonna massage this through, rinse it out, wash my hair again, use my moisturizing shampoo, and then I will come back. Okay, so hang in there. Okay. Okay, y'all, this is what I'm looking like so far. And I have in my moisturizing shampoo, which is my last step. I washed my hair twice with my clarifying shampoo, and then I'm ending my wash with this moisturizing shampoo. And I'm still using Design Essentials. This stuff smells so good. But I have backed off of the leave-in conditioner. I'm only applying it to my water bottle. It feels like it's dry and hard. I'll put a little of the leave-in conditioner mixed with water in a spray bottle before I oil it. So I'm just kind of like smoothing down my cuticles. I did scrub some, and then just gonna massage my scalp. So I don't know, I feel like, for one, I can't hear myself talking because I got water in my ears. But I feel like I use way more product than I would when I braid and band. So that was a benefit to that. And then I took my eyes out, my ears out, all my senses is off. But it feels good to just kind of run my hands through my hair for the first time without anything constricting it. My scalps, it feels good. My scalp feels good. And my hair just feel heavy. Sheesh. Like my shoulders. Like I feel like I got 50 pounds on my shoulders. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna rinse this out and then I will show you the final outcome after I massage. Y'all gonna watch me massage this shampoo. We gonna make good use of this shampoo I got in my head, child. Much as that stuff costs, I ain't wasting none of it. We about to get this hair clean. Let's see, it look way better. You can't tell, of course, but I can see that scalp is crisp. Let's see if I can see some of that new growth. The scalp is crisp, child. So that's all new growth up to this point. That looked like about 1 inch. Jesus. Take the wow. All right, y'all. I will be back in the flesh. All right, y'all. Here we are. Shampoo is all rinsed out. I didn't experience any unraveling. It doesn't appear. This is what I'm looking like. Scalp is clean. All that buildup is gone. I can see my true scalp again. And I got a lot of work before me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going to be using my cotton t-shirt to dry out the rest of this water out my hair. I'm gonna let it air dry, and probably the rest of this week I'll be working on my retie. So once I have that update, I'll be already probably 11 months locked, and I will tune back in with you guys. As always, thank you for tuning in. I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye, y'all.